Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 22nd, 2025, about 2 days ago. The headline result is a multi-agent system that turns dense research PDFs into interactive project web pages in under 15 minutes for less than 10 cents. The paper is titled, Human Agent Collaborative Paper to Page Crafting for Under 10 Cents, and as we will see later, the real-world performance and polish are striking. Beyond speed and cost, it introduces verifier agents and optional human checkpoints, plus a new benchmark called PageBench to evaluate fidelity, aesthetics, and usability. Also, the author shared the code on GitHub. You'll find the full AutoPage implementation with Project Page Agent, Page Eval, templates, and utils, plus a Gradio app. There are clear install and quick start steps, scripts to generate and evaluate pages, example assets and demo video, and guidance to plug in different LLM or VLM backends. So, while the repo details were concrete, Figure 1 shows the overall idea that structured collaboration beats a single pass. The top comparison contrasts end-to-end methods that auto-convert PDFs yet produce awkward layouts without human feedback. The middle row presents the interactive coarse-to-fine pipeline, meaning the system starts broad, then refines each step with checker agents and optional author input. Along the bottom, the benchmark flow covers data collection and evaluation metrics for content and visual quality. Alright, Figure 2 shows the full 3-stage pipeline that turns a paper into an interactive page. The top left panel parses the PDF into a structured asset library and drafts a web-friendly outline, which a verifier checks for completeness. The top right panel generates prose first, then selects visuals that match the text, with the checker confirming consistency. The bottom band picks a template, renders HTML, and applies a final layout review with optional human feedback. So Table 1 summarizes head-to-head results, showing the multi-agent pipeline consistently boosts content and visual quality across backbones. AutoPage with Gemini 2.5, Flash lifts semantic fidelity to 0.742. AutoPage with GPT-4o Mini achieves a compression-aware information accuracy of 1.941, which rewards answers that stay correct while concise. Visual content accuracy reaches 3.13 with the Gemini 2.5 Flash variant. Layout cohesion improves to 2.38 for the GPT-4o Mini variant. Aesthetic score rises to 2.95 for the same variant. Alright, Figure 3 shows that users preferred pages from AutoPage, indicating the approach translates to better real-world usability. The study used a forced choice rating, which means participants had to rank 8 pages by giving each a unique score, so ties were impossible. AutoPage tops the chart with an average of 7.16, surpassing strong baselines from commercial and open models. This gap aligns with the gains in visual content accuracy, because better layout and consistent visuals make pages easier and more pleasant to judge. So, Figure 4 shows a side-by-side qualitative comparison that explains where the system wins in practice. The top left panel focuses on formula presentation, where math renders correctly and stays readable. The top right panel highlights image layout, which arranges galleries horizontally instead of stacking. The bottom left panel covers table presentation, with styling that matches the page theme. The bottom right panel demonstrates content planning, adding relevant visuals so dense text becomes engaging. So, 2 takeaways stand out. A hierarchical, multi-agent pipeline with verifier agents and optional human checkpoints reliably turns dense PDFs into polished, interactive pages in minutes for under 10 cents, and the new PageBench benchmark gives the community a yardstick to push this forward. Thanks for listening. I am Alex. This was the AI Research Roundup.